Brian Garamodelli here from MarineMax Huntington. Today we're going to do a walkthrough on a 2025 Saxdor 320 GTO. So welcome aboard the Saxdor 320 GTO. You got nice aft glass gates here. This boat is powered by twin 300 Mercury outboards. You have a top speed of well over 50 miles per hour with your twin-stepped hull. What that twin-stepped hull provides, creates a little air under the boat, less water friction. The boat rides higher in the water column, gets to skip across any rough waves. You got aft face seating here. You got an electrically actuated table here. So you can put that down and this can fold out flat to a nice sunbed. Your swim ladder is stowed under here, which is a nice touch. Coming forward. So you got two configurations. You have what we see here. You could fold this down flat to a sunbed. Your passengers and guests can face aft to converse with the people across from him, or slide this forward, flip these around. And now when you're running the boat, everyone can face forward. And now you have access to your grill, your sink, cutting board. You've got a lot of storage in here, and you have a fridge on each side of this module here. So coming to the helm, you've got 3 across with fold-up bolsters, which is nice. This boat is equipped now with a side power bow thruster. You have a zip wake trim system, your Mercury joystick with your skyhook, heading hold, and you've got 2 nice Simrad screens. So even in this position, without sitting on the bolster, I could see I'm centered up at the windshield. I could see well over the bow. So nice on the 32 GTO, you can walk up both on your port and starboard sides. So at the moment, our sun cushions are put away so they don't get damaged, but those will go here with your snaps and they would cover these skylights. You do have access to your windlass here, but it is only operated from the helm area. Nice grab rails on your port and starboard side. This boat is equipped with the solar trickle system, so you've got a fairly large solar panel on top of the hardtop here. So when you're out and about, and maybe you don't have shore power, this will keep the batteries topped off. As you step into the cabin, just to the starboard side, you do have your head area. You've got a folding barrier there, so if you need to sit on it. You got a nice sink. And even a shaded window, which is nice. As we enter down into our cabin area, you got nice sleeping arrangements for 2 adults, a small sitting area, and access to your breakers on your port side, as well as your air conditioning and audio controls. Thank you for joining me on this walkthrough with the Saxdor 320 GTO. If you are interested in this boat, contact us here at MarineMax Huntington, 631-424-2710.